Welcome to 48 Southampton Road. This sizable 1,700 square foot rural rental offers a full kitchen, including dishwasher, an open spacious floor plan, free laundry, and a 3-season porch overlooking a peaceful stream. Its 2 sizable bedrooms are well separated for sound privacy. The master bedroom offers a comfortable queen-size bed. The second bedroom offers a queen as well as a twin. Furniture in the master bedroom, as well as the living room, includes pull-out beds to accommodate another 3 guests. And of course, the Wi-Fi and HBO are free, and the TV has a DVD Blu-ray player as well as Chromecast. Your host will also consider pets on a case-by-case basis, and is happy to share extensive knowledge of the local area's many adventures, attractions, and cuisine choices, which are briefly covered in a separate video at the property's website. So if you want all the comforts of home and the most accommodating host in the valley, this rental is where to hang your hat. At the website, you'll be able to take a full look around inside and out using your choice of virtual tours. Some folks prefer simple photos. We give you those with floor plan navigation to help keep you oriented. Others want to walk around at will in a fully immersive 3D virtual reality tour. Take your pick and enjoy your visit.